the jobs AI still can't replace, and why they're growing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence already writes emails, manages schedules, and handles entire workflows, yet some jobs are becoming more valuable, not less. There's a surprising set of careers that actually expand as automation increases, not because AI replaces them, because AI amplifies them. This isn't about hype, it's based on labor economics research, skill demand data, and long-term employment patterns. One of the quiet truths is that AI doesn't replace complexity, it replaces repetition. Humans who manage ambiguity actually rise. Let's start with something counterintuitive. Jobs involving human trust, like healthcare, therapy, legal advisory, investment planning, don't disappear, they grow. Because even when AI predicts outcomes, people want emotional reassurance, context, and explanation, judgment mixed with empathy. Economists call these complement professions, meaning AI doesn't replace the professional, it becomes their analytical assistant. For example, nursing. As healthcare workloads increase, artificial intelligence handles diagnostics and documentation, while nurses focus on complex decisions and human care. The result, demand rises, work becomes more specialized, salaries climb. As we move forward, education and moral judgment become even more important. Nurses with their unique expertise are called on to make ethical choices and guide care in ways that machines just can't replicate. Next, consider education. AI can generate lesson plans and analyze learning gaps, but the role of a teacher is emotional, motivational, and adaptive. The more automated the tools become, the more valuable human educators are as interpreters and guides. Now here's the pattern most people miss. Any profession requiring moral judgment grows in importance as automation expands. Law, medicine, journalism, ethics, compliance, these fields don't shrink, they evolve. Why? Because AI generates answers, but societies still need someone responsible for decisions. Responsibility remains deeply, stubbornly human. But there's another dimension here. Research from multiple labor studies shows that, human critical roles actually accelerate during automation cycles. The paradox is really compelling. When technology automates tasks, humans move upward into more impactful levels of judgment. It's the exact opposite of the fear narrative. So, which job categories grow the fastest? Well, it's healthcare, education, engineering, ethics, oversight, safety, creative direction, and research management. Let's talk a bit about knowledge, interpretation, and how AI can assist in these areas. Notice something? These jobs share a single trait. They blend knowledge with interpretation. AI can summarize, only humans can prioritize. AI can analyze, only humans can contextualize. AI can generate options, only humans choose. And here's the most valuable part. You don't need a traditional degree to step into these fields. The rising gateway is skill-based learning combined with AI-assisted practice. AI isn't just a tool anymore, it's becoming the infrastructure that supports how we work and collaborate every single day. So, platforms like AI tutors, simulation tools, and reasoning assistants, they really accelerate your path into, human-centric careers. Think of AI less as competition and more as the kind of infrastructure that, well, lifts human roles upward. The future belongs to humans who understand how to, honestly, collaborate with intelligent tools, instead of just resisting them. So, hey, thanks for sticking with us. In our next video, we'll dig even deeper into these trends and what they could mean for your career. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any updates. We'd also love to hear your thoughts or questions down in the comments. And that brings us to a bigger question. Which salaries rise fastest inside this shift? Because the answer reveals where opportunity is exploding right now, not decades from now. Our next video explores exactly that. Subscribe if you're curious about navigating this transition intelligently. And if you want the deeper story behind AI-driven career growth, watch the next video, which salaries grow fastest in AI-augmented roles.